Let's get it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase almost any coin that you could want through MetaMask. There are tons of new coins coming out every single day, so here is one of the easiest ways to do it, in my opinion. I will be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to purchase almost any coin on Polygon, Ethereum, or the Binance Smart Chain. Let's go. What is up, everybody? Welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to buy almost any coin you want through MetaMask. You can access almost all the coins on Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and the Ethereum network, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you are new to this channel, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, then hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, and select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So I've been getting a lot of requests on how to buy a lot of these new coins that are coming out on Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, or Ethereum. Doesn't really matter. There's a lot of new coins that are coming out and are starting to pump very, very hard, and people are wondering how they can buy them or how they can potentially get in early onto these coins. So here is going to be how you can buy basically anything through MetaMask. So the first thing you are going to need to do is download MetaMask. Here is MetaMask's page, metamask.io. We click on download now, and then I'm using the Brave browser, but this also works for the Chrome browser as well. So now that I'm here, this would be install MetaMask for Brave. If I click on there, it is a extension, which is awesome. I already have it installed, but if you did not have it installed, then you would click over here. It should say install for Brave as an extension, and then it will pop up here under your extensions category. It's going to be the exact same thing for Chrome, so we want to install MetaMask for Chrome, and then click over here where it says add to Chrome, add the extension, and then it's just going through a little bit of checking right now, but it should happen fairly quickly. As you can see, it is now downloading there, so this might take a little while, but it's the same process for Brave as well. Okay, that only took a couple seconds, and it says, welcome to MetaMask. You are connecting to Ethereum and the decentralized web. Happy to see you. Awesome. So let's get started. So now here you can either import a wallet or create a wallet. I have a wallet that is already with MetaMask, so I could import a wallet, or you can create more than one wallet. I could create a new wallet. Usually people would want to do this. Let's say they have their main MetaMask wallet that they use for a lot of their maybe longer term holdings, and then you could use this another MetaMask wallet for maybe your meme coins and some of the more risky plays that you are working with. That might be a reason why you would have two different ones. So it's going to ask us to help improve MetaMask, yada, yada, yada. I agree. Now you would come up with a password for yourself. This would just be to simply log as password that would help you log into MetaMask. So you can come up with whatever you want. Passwords have to match, of course. I agree to terms of use, and then we can click on create. So next thing it's going to ask you to do is secure your wallet. You're going to get a 12-word recovery phrase that is your master key. So the best way to save this is it says save in password manager. I might not do that. Store in a bank vault or a safe deposit box, or write it down and store it in multiple secret places. So I would want to take this secret passphrase and store it offline somewhere, and probably in multiple locations where I know it's safe. Because if your account gets hacked or you get locked out of your account somehow, this is the only way that you would be able to recover it. So make sure that you write this down and then keep it somewhere very, very safe. So once I go through this, here would be my secret recovery phrase. And once you click on this lockbox here, it would reveal your secret words. So this is just going to be a fake one that I do for now. So this doesn't really mean anything. But I would copy these words, copy them somewhere, write them down, like I said, and then keep those somewhere safe. Once you have those copied down, you would click next, and then you would need to re-put your seed phrase in here in the correct order. So you need to select each phrase, put it in the correct order, confirm, and then it'll take you through step by step. But I'm not going to do that right now. That's the gist of it. And then your account should be pretty much good to go. There might be a couple more steps I forget. I set up my MetaMask wallet quite a while ago, but it'll take you through step by step on how to do that. You can also download it for iOS for your phone or for Android, and it is very, very similar there. So you could be doing this on your mobile phone as well if you wanted to. With MetaMask, the default network is going to be the Ethereum Mainnet. So if you want to add any other network onto here, you will need to go and click that icon up there, and then come down to Settings, and scroll all the way down to where it says Networks, and we want to add a network. So I've already added the Binance Smart Chain in there, but we want to add that. Then we need to find the network name and a few different numbers here. So a couple things are optional, but we do need these top three things. So if you simply do a quick Google search and look for connecting MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain, you can see and go through this. Obviously, this is a kind of a step-by-step on how to set up your MetaMask, like I said before. But this is the thing that you will need to add in. So when we come back over to our MetaMask wallet and we go to the same thing we did before, Settings, and then click on Networks, click on Add Network, this is what you need to put in there. So Smart Chain, that is under the new RPC URL, chain ID is 56, and then you could add in the symbol and the block explorer URL if you wanted to. Once you added all those in, click Save, and then Binance Smart Chain will show up on here in your MetaMask just like it did for me. So now you've got your Ethereum mainnet. If you want to switch to a different mainnet, then BSC should show up right there. And now I've got all of my Binance Smart Chain coins in here. So once you've got your MetaMask set up, then I'm going to show you how you can buy almost any coin. And we're going to start off by going with PancakeSwap. So again, this is pancakeswap.finance. Make sure that you actually go to this URL, pancakeswap.finance. Anything else, make sure it's spelt correctly, because there's a lot of copycats that can try to fake it and then could steal your information. So just make sure that that is the correct URL. Once we are here, we want to connect our wallet. So there are lots of other ones. A lot of people do this with Trust Wallet. That's a mobile app as well that you can use. But MetaMask is one that seems to be easiest, and it's good for both desktop and mobile. So we want to connect to MetaMask, and now we can see that my wallet is connected. So once we're connected, I should be showing the same balance here for my BNB as is in my wallet. So let's take a look. 0.01858 and 0.0186. So rounded up to the next decimal there, so it's very, very close. So that's good to know. Now we want to buy whatever coin we want. So usually you need BNB to buy anything on the Binance Smart Chain. In order to buy BNB token, you can come to somewhere like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, click on Binance Coin, and then scroll all the way down, and it will show you where you can get some BNB tokens. I bought BNB on Binance, and then I sent the BNB token to my MetaMask wallet, where now I can perform as whatever transactions I want. So once you've got your BNB sent to your MetaMask wallet, now you can import almost any token you want into here in order to buy. So I know a lot of people were asking about Santa coin this time around. So let's go and find Santa. But you can do this for almost any coin. So you search for the coin up in the top search bar there, and then there's going to be this contract number. We want to copy this address, so click to copy, and then we bring that back over into PancakeSwap here. So we're going to click on the bottom one because we want to trade BNB for whatever we're typing in here, and we are going to copy and paste the name into there. I've already imported it, so Santa is in there. What you can then do is click on Santa. Sometimes it says to import the token, so let's go and look for a token that I might need to import. So here's a token that I just found. I'm not saying this is a good one or a bad one, but you copy and paste the address in there, and then if you haven't added it already, you would need to click import, and then it is coming from an unknown source. Basically, you're just saying that yes, I understand the risks, and then I import that token, and now I could trade my BNB for this token here. But I want to do some Santa again. So you can click on max or do as much as you want really, but I want to do, let's just say something easy. Sometimes getting rid of more decimals helps out. So I'm going to trade just 0.008 for some more Santa. Sometimes you do need to adjust the slippage down here. So normally this will be defaulted to 1%. So if I try to swap this right now, it is not going to go through. It says insufficient output amount. So that means that I likely need to adjust that number down there. So if I try, sometimes people jump too high too fast, but if I try 5% slippage, confirm, again, not working. I'm going to try 10, again, not working. So usually I know for Santa Coin, because I've done a couple transactions, it has been between 14 and 17%. That has been what works. So I'm going to go 14, try swapping. Doesn't work that time. Again, click the gear icon, try one more time. I'm going to do 17 because I'm pretty sure that works. There. So now I get a notification coming up here. I want to transact 0.008 BNB for however many Santa token I would get. It says I'd get around 30 million Santa token. But my gas fee is decently high right now. I think that's because there's a lot of transactions going on, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. So once I do that, I click confirm, and then transaction was submitted, and then we can close out of here and just wait for the transaction to come through. Normally it happens fairly quickly, like honestly within a minute. Right there. There it is. Transaction receipt happened already, and we should have a little bit more Santa in my wallet, about 30 million more in my wallet at this point. You can also double check that it went through with this little timer icon here. If you click on that, it says you swapped this much BNB for this much Santa, and you can click on that little icon there and it'll take you to the transaction site and show you exactly what it was. So this was like $4 that I transacted. We are experiencing an increased amount of load and traffic, so the data might not be up to date quite yet. That is okay. This is a token that is experiencing a lot of traffic right now, so you might see that. But for other tokens, it's going to go right through and should be just fine with PancakeSwap. This is where I have been going for a lot of my meme coins and stuff like that. And if we go to the Santa coin in my wallet, it did in fact come in there. So that is good. We've got that. So once you've bought the amount that you want to buy on PancakeSwap, it is not going to automatically go into your MetaMask. Well, it will, but you won't be able to see it unless you manually add the token contract into MetaMask as well. So the same contract that you copied into here to buy with, you will need to now copy that and paste that and add it into MetaMask. So what you could do is come down here and click import tokens and then copy and paste that token address that we got from here. So you could come here, copy that, and then add it into MetaMask. So copied that, you could click import tokens and do that, and we see it's the same, so that's good. And then you click add custom token. What's almost easier though is you could just simply click right here where it says add to MetaMask, and then it will add it. I'll show you right now that currently on MetaMask it is not added. There is no Santa in there. If I go add to MetaMask, add token, we go to MetaMask again, Santa is now in there. You don't need to go through PancakeSwap in order to swap things on here, but let's say I did want to swap BNB for something else. Let's say I wanted to swap it again through here. I definitely could, but sometimes it's a lot tougher. So if I wanted to swap that much, sometimes it says no quotes available, so try adjusting your slippage or settings. Try again. Okay, so I want to try again. This is, the slippage here, slippage tolerance 2 to 3%. If I added custom, which was 17, it says this slippage amount is too high and will result in a bad rate. Please reduce your slippage tolerance to a value below. So you saw that on PancakeSwap, I needed to go to 17% in order for it to even go through. MetaMask is telling you that this is a little bit risky. So I agree, like these meme coins are definitely risky. So never invest more than you're willing to lose, as I've always said. And if you do get up big, take those profits. But if you're going to swap directly on the Binance Smart Chain, if you're going to swap directly through MetaMask, then you can end up with this sort of error and it won't let you. So you would need to go to someplace like PancakeSwap, and then it allows you to do that, and you can purchase whatever coin you want. So that is how you will buy anything through the Binance Smart Chain. So now let's talk about adding something to the Matic network. So once again, you would need to do the same thing, find a spot where you can find all of this information that we did, just like we did for Binance Smart Chain. Come on over to MetaMask, your extension again, top icon, hit the settings, scroll down, networks, and then you would click add a network. So I've already added the Matic network, but if you clicked on add network, you would again need to add all these things in there. If I added them in, it would just say that you've already added this network. You would go through this and then hit save, and then Matic Mainnet should pop up in there. Once we have that all set up, you should be able to see some coins. These are just the coins that I've added in there, but I think Matic will be one of the only ones in there. Now let's say we want to buy a coin on the Matic network. So here's one that I've talked about before that I am still quite bullish on, is Digital Fitness, extremely small market cap. I know it's kind of gone up and down, but I still think this is a micro cap that has some really good potential. Again, I'm not investing more than I'm willing to lose, but here we go. So again, you come on over here, there is different contracts usually, either on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. There's different contracts. This is the Ethereum one, but you will definitely pay way less gas fees on Polygon. So I want to copy that address and then go to my MetaMask extension, and I'm going to import tokens. So I'm going to copy that address in there. Then I want to make sure that it is the right symbol, right? So we've got the right ticker symbol there, DFIT, awesome. I want to add that token in there, and then I'll import the tokens. I currently have 0, that is totally fine, but if I wanted to have a couple DFIT tokens, here is what I could do. So there is a swap function right in here. I want to swap, say, one Matic for some DFIT tokens. So it's going to give you a warning. This token has been added manually. Please verify it. I know it's okay because I got it from a trusted source. And then let's go review swap. So it's saying that I'm going to do that. The Matic fees are very, very small, which is awesome. If I hit swap there, it should go through. There we go. We've got transaction complete, and I can close out of there. And I had 1.6 Matic before. I traded one. There was a small fee, but I have now 31 DFIT tokens. So I would personally suggest trying to do as much swapping as you can with either the Polygon network or the Binance Smart Chain network. You can obviously buy things right through the Ethereum Mainnet, but I will show you here the gas fees are incredible. So you could see there how little the gas fees was for me to switch for DFIT on the Polygon network. So here's how it would look if I wanted to swap through the Ethereum Mainnet. Now what's nice about MetaMask is that it will scan for the best deal across different exchanges. So here, let's say I wanted to swap that. If I review that swap, yes, I can, purchase a decent amount of DFIT, but look at my gas fee. $111 for a $450 transaction. So for a coin that does have multiple different contracts where you can get it on Binance Smart Chain versus Ethereum versus Polygon, personally it makes way more sense to stick to the Matic Mainnet or the Binance Smart Chain because you're going to pay way less gas fees. It is a little bit more secure on Ethereum, but Matic is pretty good, and I have had no issues with the Binance Smart Chain as of yet either, so that is definitely the better way to go if you want to save on some gas fees, in my opinion. Another thing with the Matic Mainnet is to make sure that you are on the Matic Mainnet, because you could transfer Matic to your MetaMask wallet by simply copying this phrase up here, and it could still end up on the Ethereum mainnet if you are transferring it as an ERC20 token. In order to make sure that you are on the Matic network to transfer it to your MetaMask, you can buy Matic on any of these places, but in order to make sure that you can withdraw it to MetaMask on the Matic network, you would need to then withdraw it from one of these exchanges using the Matic network, and then it would enter into your MetaMask wallet on the Matic network. It's very confusing, so hopefully this is making some sort of sense. So if I did buy Matic on Binance, it says that Matic Network withdrawals are suspended. So I would not be buying Matic on Binance right now. Instead, there are a couple other exchanges that you potentially could. I know if you buy it on Coinbase, you are automatically kind of defaulted to being on the Ethereum network. So I bought some on Coinbase. I then sent that Matic to my MetaMask wallet, but it was on the Ethereum network. So then what I needed to do was bridge my Matic from Ethereum over to Polygon, which was more gas fees, and it was not very good. You could do it on FTX or Huobi. I don't know how the withdrawal process is there. I don't have accounts there. Where I did end up going was AscendX. So this exchange, you can buy Matic directly on here, or you could potentially send your Matic to your address. So let's say I had my Matic on Coinbase, I would be transferring it as an ERC20 token to here, and then I could withdraw it on the Matic network. The easiest way, like I said, to buy Matic, in my opinion, is to come through AscendX and just buy it directly. This is way simpler. You scroll down, find it, and then you can buy as much or as little as you want. Usually there's a little bit of a fee, but it's not too bad. Once you have your Matic, you would have it in your wallet. Check that out. You could withdraw, and then again withdraw Matic. I have taken almost all of it out of here, but you would choose the withdrawal address you want it to go to. So this would be select your MetaMask wallet's address, copy that, paste it in here, and then select the Matic network. So now it is going to automatically go to the Matic network on your MetaMask wallet. And then you can search for any coin on the Matic network in CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, copy that address like I showed you before, paste it in there, and away you go. There is a withdrawal fee of 0.1 Matic, but these fees are so small compared to doing anything on Ethereum right now that this is the way that I would go in order to buy most tokens on MetaMask. Go through either the Binance Smart Chain or the Matic Mainnet. So hopefully that helped and allows you to go and purchase whatever coin you want to purchase through MetaMask, through either the Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum Mainnet, or Matic Mainnet. Like I said, definitely easier and cheaper to go through the Binance Smart Chain or the Matic Mainnet. Those are my two preferred sources. If you have any questions on this video, please feel to scroll down and leave a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So with that being said, that is it for me today. If you haven't done so already and you got some value out of this video, please scroll on down, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It does help out so much. And I will see you next time on the next episode from the Crypto Cabin.